Happy Monday, everybody. Your forecast this week in a nutshell. Every other day, there's a chance we could see a little bit of precipitation, maybe some mountain snow, also some gusty winds, and we're going to be warmer than average. Temperatures mainly in the 50s. You could see some 60s a few days. By this weekend, though, with a stronger system coming through, that may knock those temperatures back down to around seasonal as we get into Saturday, Sunday. Now, high pressure keeping us dry today. Some of us will see some clouds. As we get into the afternoon, more cloud cover coming in out ahead of that short wave that's coming through tomorrow, but we are going to stay dry. Now, it'll be a bit of a different story tomorrow. We could see a lot of cloud cover and a better chance we could see some rain. It's very slight chance as it stands right now for the most part. Very minimal in terms of any type of accumulation we could get. The Beartooth Absarokas tomorrow above 8,500 feet could pick up a couple of inches of snow. Wednesday, dry, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, we have another system coming through. Just like this first system here, we're just going to see minimal rain accumulation, if anything. Maybe down to about 7,000 feet, and above that, the Beartooth Absarokas could pick up maybe a couple more inches of snow. And then we anticipate maybe a slightly stronger system Friday, Saturday, could give us more widespread rain. But what it will also do is cool those temperatures back down to around seasonal for the weekend. But not today. Today we're going to be warmer than average. In fact, this week, milder than average at least. A low to mid 50s today. Tomorrow, a chance we could see some 60s. Billings trying to hit 60. So we move forward, those temperatures staying above average, and there's that seasonal cool down we try to hit for the weekend.